Good morning. Dr. Basinger here. I'm sending this welcome back to Biology 102. Just wanted to send you a video without a PowerPoint presentation to the side. Just to say I hope you all are well. Hope you all are at home. Hope your family is doing well, as well as your pets and significant others. I know it's a very stressful time. I certainly have struggled over the past week getting stuff online. It's been a completely new experience for me, and I assume that it's going to be similar for you. Just know, rest assured that I'm here for you. Just let me know when you do have an issue, and we'll try to resolve it as best we can. Um, that's really what I wanted to do. It's right about class time right now, about 10 minutes after 11. So I'm trying to keep a normal schedule, so to speak, so I don't just sit at home and do nothing but twiddle my thumbs and be stressed out about stuff. So I hope you all will keep a schedule as well and kind of, even if you're at home, kind of act like you're, still doing student stuff during the day so you maintain some normal schedule yourself. I'll try to check in with a video each week, just let you know everything's okay. Um, Email me, let me know when you have a problem. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.